My name is Wily Cruz and I'm a driver at Up. I was here at 18 years old in the warehouse. I didn't speak any English at all. I did the warehouse for like 5 years, and then one day Mr. Up came up to me and he's like, "Hey, you ready to go to trucks, to be a driver?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm ready." So then he made the call. He's the one who said he's next. I love what I do because I like being outside. You know, that's the main thing for me. See new faces, new houses, new towns. You know, that's what I love about my job. You know, if it's always a chance to do the delivery, then we always explain to the customer, "Hey, we have this situation over here, and this is what it's going to take to have your oven in place. So if the customer cares with it, you just take the extra step and do it." I like working for Up because there's always room to grow. You know, there's always something else that you can learn. There's always something better that you can learn. You never stop learning, and they let you grow up. We all have the mindset that delivery or installation have to happen some way or another. So if the customer is always nice and let us perform, it's gonna happen.